Siser has been the world leader in manufacturing heat transfer materials for over 50 years. With our headquarters located in Vicenza, Italy, our passion for the decorated garment industry started in the fashion world, offering high-quality materials to embellish and accentuate some of the top brands in the world. Later expanding into the sports world, we have spent many years dedicating ourselves to making durable materials that have a beneficial characteristic like the 1-second tack or strong bond adhesives to ensure that your projects and designs last for many years to come. With decades of industry knowledge, we've decided that we did not want to stop in the sports and fashion industry. Thanks to the advancements in die cutting equipment, Siser has made a significant impact in the craft and small business world, allowing anyone to become a decorator. Let us dive into understanding some of these materials and their features. When talking about heat transfer materials, we start with none other than the flagship line called Easyweed. True to its name, Easyweed is simply that, easy to weed. Now, for the ones that don't know what weeding is, it's the process of removing the cavities and pieces in and around your cut design. Easyweed is one of the thinnest materials in the Siser library, with a key feature being able to apply multi-layered designs quickly using that 1-second tack method. This ensures that the layers of your design will line up perfectly every time, and with a vast selection of over 70 colors and growing, you are sure to never run out of ideas. Another product in the Easyweed family is the foundation of what makes Easyweed such a universal material. It is Easyweed adhesive. This powerful, clear adhesive is the base for all Siser products. However, the world of decoration doesn't stop with the color selection that is offered here at Siser. Easyweed adhesive married with your favorite craft foil is a great way to add additional flair to your designs. Another great option to add a charge of energy to your design is Easyweed electric. This is a great solution for giving the designs a bold accent with a metallic finish, which is sure to catch the eyes of anyone nearby. Now, if you're someone who loves the look of Easyweed but needs material that will stretch with your sporty garments, then Easyweed EcoStretch is your answer. EcoStretch is one of the newest additions to the Siser family and offers a soft, matte finish with stretchability that is top of its class. And in addition to being CPSIA and OEKO-TEX compliant, which most of our products are, EcoStretch takes us one step further with a water-based composition which applies almost 60 degrees less than our standard Easyweed. This means that you can finally decorate those heat-sensitive fabrics and save on your electrical bill too. So now that you know the basics, let's dive into some other materials that are more on the shimmering side. Glitter, twinkle, sparkle, and diamond dust. All of these materials may look similar at first glance, but each complement each other in the Siser library in their own way. Glitter comes in a huge variety of colors and has glitter flakes that are added to the surface level of the material. This gives it the ultimate shimmer with a unique textured feel that doesn't shed glitter flakes like other brands. And for our sublimation fans out there, the lighter colors of glitter are also sublimation friendly for achieving stunning full color designs. Now, sparkle, much like glitter, has a beautiful shimmering effect. However, the glitter flakes are actually embedded inside the material itself. This is giving you a smooth and soft finish. Because of this, sparkle is also layerable, so you can achieve multicolored designs and even mix and match them with Easyweed. Twinkle not only has the same glistening features of both glitter and sparkle, but it also has tiny reflective beads embedded, baked into the material itself, offering the ultimate shine. Twinkle also has a distinct silicone-like feel that adds a bit more tactile interest to your design, while retaining that smooth surface. The all-new Diamond Dust approaches the glittery look in a different way with ultra-fine glitter particles that seem to glisten like a fresh blanket of snow. Lightweight, reflective, and with a subtle gradient in each color, Diamond Dust is a fantastic way to make any garment look elegant. So I've shown you enough so far that would give you hundreds of different ways to decorate apparel. But Siser products go beyond solid colors and glitter. Let's look at some of the special effects products in the Siser catalog. Holographic is a material made up of several shiny, multicolored layers to produce a hologram-like effect. Not only does it make any design look all-inspiring, but it's also perfect for creating faux rhinestones. With holographic, you can bling out any garment without a hassle. If you're looking for more of the 3D effect, then Brick 600 is your answer. Our thickest material by far, Brick 600 adds another dimension to your designs that seems to pop right off of the garment. The bold material is great for logos on caps, bags, and more. And if you really want to take your designs to the next level, you can even layer a thinner material like Easyweed Eco Stretch or Easy Color DTV on top of Brick 600 to create a cool embossed effect. Now there may be times that you want a material that seems to blend right into the fabric. Strip Flock Pro is your answer, featuring a soft, fuzzy texture that is great for kids' clothes. You can even layer it with itself or other materials to mimic a 3D embroidery effect. This is perfect for those varsity letters. For our embroiderers out there, Strip Flock Pro is also a great choice for mixing media. Embroidering right on top of Strip Flock Pro is an easy way to achieve a unique, textured design for your applique projects. If you're a fan of using Strip Flock Pro with your embroidery creations, you also may be interested in our next product called Aurora. This HTV is a truly unique material that color shifts in the light, giving off a gradient of colors. It also offers a woven-like fabric texture that further adds visual interest to a design. Did I mention that it's layerable as well? And just like Strip Flock Pro, Aurora is also great when combined with embroidery. It is the perfect way to achieve a stunning, color-changing effect with your applique projects that couldn't be done with embroidery alone. Now, if fun is what you're going for, then look no further than Easy Puff. This material starts off flat, but once it's applied with heat, it puffs up right off of the shirt. Easy Puff is a great way to add a whimsical 3D effect to any garment. You can also light up the night with Easy Glow. Featuring bold neon colors, Easy Glow looks great in the daytime, then glows in the dark brilliantly at night. Speaking of nighttime, you may be looking for a material that helps your visibility in the dark. Easy Reflective is a material made up entirely of reflective beads that give off a striking shine when they hit the light. Easy Reflective makes for great accent designs on activewear. Metal is the easiest way to add a brushed metallic finish to any garment. It also is the thinnest Siser material in our lineup, so designs feel extremely lightweight. Now you're probably asking yourself, does Siser offer patterns? The answer is absolutely. Easy Patterns Plus is a material that features a variety of pre-printed and pre-masked patterns that allows you to achieve complex, multicolor designs with just a single press. For those looking for a little extra in their patterns, we also offer Easy Patterns Plus Sparkle and glow-in-the-dark designs. If full color printed designs is what you're after, but you don't have the extra money to spend on a large print and cut system, then Easy Color DTV is your answer. Offering a material that is printable for not only the home desktop printer, but also the large format printers as well. Okay, so since we're on the topic of heat transfers, let's address the elephant in the room: sublimation. Here at Siser, we embrace the world of sublimation and have created some products of our own that make use of this incredible medium. Easy Suble is a printable HTV that is compatible with virtually all sublimation inks. Simply feed it into your sublimation printer to print, or take the design on sublimation paper and apply it directly onto Easy Suble once it's on the garment. The best part is that Easy Suble allows you to decorate cotton and dark colors, so you're no longer limited to just those white polyesters. For those who like to be a little bit more hands-on, Siser also offers 3 different sets of sublimation markers. These writing utensils are loaded with Sublimation Ink, so whatever you draw on standard printer paper can be then heat applied onto a variety of sublimation blanks. And with that, sublimation doesn't stop there. For those that want to achieve full color designs with a special finish, you can also sublimate onto Siser HTVs. Materials like glitter, holographic, sparkle, and Easyweed Glow can all accept sublimation inks for stunning results. So now you know all about Siser heat transfer materials, but what if you want to decorate more than just fabrics and garments? You may be excited to know that Siser also offers a line of materials called Easy PSV. Easy PSV is pressure-sensitive vinyl, which means that it can be applied with simply pressure, no heat required. Sometimes also known as decal or sticker vinyl, Easy PSV can be used to decorate a variety of hard surfaces such as metal, plastic, glass, wood, ceramic, and so much more. Just like with HTV, Siser offers a variety of different kinds of Easy PSV as well. Easy PSV Starling is a solid color vinyl that is incredibly easy to work with, and it also is dishwasher safe up to 80 washes for decorating mugs and tumblers. Of course, there's also Easy PSV Glitter for achieving a more glimmering finish on your favorite projects. If you're looking for a shine, Easy PSV Holographic gives off a stunning appearance, Plus, it's easily removable. Easy PSV Brushed is a great way to give surfaces a classy metal finish. And Easy PSV Etch can mimic the frosted glass look without the hassle of dealing with etching creams. Just like with our heat transfer vinyl line, Easy PSV also offers glow-in-the-dark, blackboard, and pre-printed pattern options as well. Now that you know all of the different types of material that Siser offers, you may be wondering, well, what's the best way to use them? We've become experts in cuttable materials over the years, so we've decided to take our knowledge and passion for our materials and pack them into our very own cutting machines. The Romeo and Juliet high-definition cutters were designed by members of the Siser team who know what features crafters want for their cutting machines. We challenged ourselves to take a professional level features from commercial machines and fit them into a cutter that is user-friendly and easy to learn for everyone. Romeo and Juliet both feature commercial-style cutting blades, an adjustable pinch roller system, a super fast, super quiet, and super accurate cut head, and a library of preset cut settings for all Siser materials. There's even a built-in camera that allows for much more accurate print and cut projects when compared to other cutters with an optical eye. Now, perhaps the best part is that both cutters feature a digital touchscreen, so accessing these advanced features is simple and familiar. Adjusting cut settings on the fly, connecting to Wi-Fi, and even perform test cuts right on the home screen on your machine. Juliet is the smaller of the two, with a workspace measuring 13.5 inches wide, so you can cut your 12-inch sheets of material edge to edge. For those of you who are working with higher productions and larger jobs, Romeo is your guy. Large enough to cut materials up to 25.5 inches wide, Romeo makes running a small business accessible to anyone. Powerful cutters are fantastic, but they're only as good as the software that runs them. That's why we also created Leonardo Design Studio, an artistic hub for not only sending cut files, but creating designs as well. Leonardo Design Studio is packed with thousands of pre-made, royalty-free designs that you can use and edit to your heart's content. For those who may need a bit of inspiration, the software also features hundreds of inspirational projects, handmade by our very own graphics team with blog-style instructions. There's also a material library built right into the software, so you can easily view every Siser material and color available, including application instructions. The biggest feature of Leonardo, however, is the design page. Here you can create and manipulate cut files and then send them to your Romeo or Juliet cutter when they're ready. With a suite of creative tools at your disposal, there's no need to switch back and forth between different programs. And best of all, Leonardo Design Studio is free with every Romeo and Juliet purchase. And for our professional users out there, we also offer an optional Leonardo Design Studio Pro subscription, which greatly expands the capabilities of the software. With dozens of new tools, more exporting options, and an exclusive premium design library are some of the perks that you'll gain to elevate your creative process even further. And with that, congratulations! You've completed your crash course on Siser products, from our expansive catalog of heat transfer materials to our advanced high-definition cutters.